Here's a new pair of wireless earbuds, which happen to be among the most stylish and capable I've ever tried. Therefore, time to find out everything important about the FIIL CC Nano. Let's inspect. Hey everybody, really nice to meet you. I'm Michael and we're back with another review of interesting true wireless earbuds, this time coming from the company FIIL, and I'll tell you everything interesting that I've discovered throughout the testing period. Full disclosure, I have the unit for free. This is not a sponsored video. It's anyways an inexpensive device, especially if we compare it to the AirPods series or the Galaxy Buds series and so on and so forth. Therefore, our thorough inspection showing the good, the bad sides, and my personal opinion about how the FIIL CC Nano actually performs. What is really great about FIIL CC Nano is that they feel premium, perform in a similar way, and cost just below $70, undercutting a lot of other premium devices, but are also more expensive than brands producing better value products like Tautronics and Tribit. Unboxing has been quite simplistic and took no more than a couple of minutes. Unsurprisingly, the key specs are on the box, so we can get to know most important characteristics right away. We open the box, there's the quick setup guide, some more instructions, here's the cleaning stick and a USB Type-C cable. This is the essence of today's video. It's seriously one of the coolest looking boxes for earbuds I've ever seen. Inside we have these quality earpieces. They adopt the semi-in-ear design with square structure and touch area which is located at the edge pointing towards the outside. The buds are plastic made, with the case being aluminium. If you wonder about the key specifications, here's everything you need to know in a nutshell. 13.1mm dynamic drivers, tailor-made LDP diaphragm, frequency between 15 Hz and 22 kHz, 30 mAh battery per bud for up to 5 hours playback time, a 450 mAh battery inside the case, IPX4 waterproof rating, Bluetooth 5.2 and a dual mic setup with ENC support. The funny part about true wireless earbuds and their specifications is that usually these tech specs are pretty difficult to understand, but let's discuss. For instance, although the size is fairly small, they're hosting one of the largest drivers in the industry, being 13mm. That gives the edge in terms of audio quality. Speaking of which, the sound is rather flat. You don't have too much emphasis on the bass or on the high ends, and I think that's an advantage because you are enabled to fine-tune the sound according to your own preference. Through the smartphone app, there's an equalizer, and you can put more focus on the bass or the high ends or both of them, and just make them sound the way you like. In terms of battery life, it's been more than enough. Advertised as more than 5 hours. In reality, I was getting close to 4 with moderate volume, and that was a pretty good achievement given their size and the large driver. And the case, which looks fantastic, gives you the opportunity to recharge them a few more times. The ergonomy is probably the trickiest part because since they don't have ear tips, and I do appreciate that you don't have to push yet another ear tip inside your ear, but the fact is that they either fit you well or they don't. In my case, that was a perfect fit. Very well isolated, staying firmly inside the ear, and no chance to fall out. So, in my opinion, especially given the focus on the good audio quality and the smart features through the smartphone app, whatever FIIL wanted to integrate with these buds has been done in a very decent way. Controls are fairly easy and straightforward too. Actually, there are two modes, easy mode and full control mode. With the easy mode, it's only about play and pause, or respectively taking or rejecting or ending a call. You could enable the full control mode via the smartphone app, and that's going to add the possibility to adjust the volume or skip to previous or the next tracks while listening to music. The latter one has been my preference for most of the time. Disadvantage is that single taps are involved, and sometimes I've had accidental touches interrupting my favorite songs. Two pretty nice additions to note about. There's the low latency mode, specially designed for those of you who play a lot of games. It does make a difference and is easy to activate. The other pretty awesome trick is that you can link to two devices simultaneously. There also is a smartphone app, something I very much appreciate about earbuds due to a few reasons. First of all, tweaking the sounds. It could be the key to make the buds sound according to your own taste. Secondly, you can fine-tune the controls. And last but not least, if there are some important improvements, FIIL are going to push them as an update via the app.
Microphone testing outdoors. FIIL CC Nano right next to a very busy and noisy street in order to find out whether the ENC, the environmental noise cancelling, is working well. And now it's your turn to let me know via a comment below whether you enjoy the microphone quality or not so much.
Before wrapping up, here's the list with inconveniences I've experienced during the time of testing. The case is not protected from dust. Worst case scenario, you're on the beach and they fall down, it's gonna be messy. Secondly, IPX4 is nice to have, but I prefer to see even better waterproofness. And last but not least, since the case is magnetic, if you try hard enough, the buds may fall out, maybe not the best fit for a lady's purse. So that's all about the FIIL CC Nano, and I really like them because they are more of the traditional style of earbuds, having no extra ear tips or whatsoever. And that's the kind of earbuds that I usually prefer to use. They don't have any crazy interesting features, however, everything that FIIL wanted to implement is being implemented in an excellent way. Pretty good sound, very ergonomic, easy to control, and also all these adjustments that you can do from the smartphone app, they're a great thing to have. So, would you go for these, or you want to play it safe with AirPods, which cost a few times more, or you have another favorite pair of earbuds? Let me know, comment down below. As usual, link to the product, more information about how you can support the channel, and access to more other cool tech inspections is placed in the video description. Thank you very much for watching this episode till the end. I'm Michael, and wish you a fantastic day. Bye!